Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I am going to show you how you guys can find out the gross profit and gross profit margin. So guys, gross profit and gross profit margins are two different things guys. So I will show you how you can find out the gross profit first, and then I will show you the gross profit margin, how to find out these both. Guys, to find out the gross profit, what you have to do, for example, you have a product, you buy the product on $70, yeah, and you sell the product on $100, yeah. So what to find out the gross profit, what you have to do is you have to write 100 minus 70 guys, selling price minus cost price. So and the result will be 30. So 30 is your gross profit guys. 30 is your gross profit. Now how I can find out the gross profit margin? You have to divide the gross profit with selling price guys. So 30 was your gross profit, then you will divide it by 100 because 100 is the selling price. So divide by 100 equals multiply, because to find out the percentage you have to multiply with 100. So the answer is 30. So 30% is your gross profit margin guys. So this is how you guys can find out the gross profit margin. I will show you one more example. For example, you have a product, you buy the product in 150, okay guys, and you sell the product in 200. So what you have to do is 200 minus 150 equals 50. So 50 is your gross profit. Now the second step, how to find out the gross profit margin. What you have to do, the gross profit margin, how to find out? Gross profit divided by selling price. So gross profit was 50 divided by, you sell it on 200, so 50 divided by 200, and then you have to multiply it with 100 equals, so 25% is your gross profit margin guys. So this is how you guys can find out the gross profit margin on the calculator. I hope you like the video and I hope you understand the video. If you have any question, please ask. Thank you very much.